So similarly, in Java, we start with a basket where you will place all the things. Let me give you an example. Now, if you want to do some artwork, painting, so from where we start? If you start doing it on the walls, you will be taken as a graffiti and you will be fine. Then what is the right way of doing it? Canvas and start doing it. So similarly, so that is a container object for your picture. What is in your mind, how you are placing it on the board. With the help of a canvas, you draw with the colors. So similarly, whatever you want to place in the graphical form in Java, you have to use two container objects. One is window and the other one is frame. So these two things you have to visualize them as a baskets where you can place all your components. How you want your graphical user interface that will be started from with the window or with the frame. Okay, so now we have reached to the point that we can start from frame. But let me ask you one question. In Java, how everything is represented? If you want to represent something in Java, in what form you can represent it? Very good answer. It is classes and objects. There is no other way of representing your data in Java. It is only through classes and objects. Then when I say that your container objects or your container should be window and frame, they are also represented in form of classes and objects. Then what is the class? So first we are dealing today with the frame. So what is the name of the class of frame in JFC is JF. Now when I write the name of the class JFrame, why I am writing it as the first two letters as capital? What is the reason? Sorry?
It should be the class should be in the capital letters.
In Java, capital names must start with capital letter. The reason being Java is case sensitive language. Very good. So now we came to a point that if I want to create a frame, I need a frame class. Java J frame class. But the next important thing is, where is this J frame class available?
Object.
It is object, but where is it available? In what? Very good answer. In what? Library. So in Java, it is nothing but we call them as. So what is the package? So all these JFC classes are in the package called. Can everybody see if I'm writing it here? Okay. So Java X dot swing dot start. So Java X is the package name and swing is the sub package name, and whatever follows after dot will be the classes what you want to use. So here if I want to use JFrame class, so I'll be using JFrame. So can you give me one more example till now what other built-in packages we have used that can quickly. Yes, java.utility.scanner. What is the default package in Java which is automatically loaded by compiler? You have to say java.lang. If you just say lang, even though it is right, when you write in the exam, if you just write lang, you won't get a mark. How you should write? Java.lang. And also all the packages names are in lowercase. So you have to write the answer this way. And when I was explaining exceptions, then also I told the same thing. You have to follow the syntax when you are answering in the exam. If you don't follow the syntax, you won't get the mark. And I think that you have experienced in your midterm paper as well. Okay. So now we know that from what is the class and from where it is available. Okay. Now how we are going to start? Now apart from this, what else I need to do? Now since this is a graphical user interface programming, what I'll do is now I'll show whatever we have just done here. I'll try to put in the program form. Let us see whether it is coming to what we are doing or not. Now, what is the editor we use for Java? Eclipse. That's very good. Then what is the first step in creating a class file? What do you do in the tutorial every time? First create a package. So already I have done today. Then the next step is
Class.
creating a class. How do we create a class?
Write the new class.
L. S on L.